Now what is cherry picking, and we can understand. So first of all, maybe you can assume that here, 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 here. Maybe you can assume, or you can decide, maybe we have 2 or 3 commits here, okay? But you just know, like in this branch we have 3, but I don't want everything to be merged here. I just want these commit, only these commit to be added, or changes. We know within a commit we have all of the changes of files and so on and so forth. So I just want this commit, so you can easily pick this one and add it here. Okay, that is what you can do, basically called cherry picking. There is the easy command, git then cherry pick and the commit hash. Simple. So that is why this commit hash was useful till now. Okay, so we could understand about that. Okay, let's see about that, like how we can do that. So far we have learned about a lot of the content by now, and we have learned about rebasing and so on. In future we are going to learn about revert, reset and so on. Okay, let's start. Now, you know, in the previous lab, Sarah actually pulled all of the changes pushed by her team and then rebased her change to stay up to date. Okay, and also we have just made one then, right, from 2 to 1. Okay, we have rewinded the lab. Okay, check the file. Okay, no issues. Now we are going to move to like cd story story block. Here in the here and tortoise branch, and we can just see ls story index. Let's see what is within the story text. Cat paste. This again rewinded that the lab to the state right before the rebasing. That means we are currently in the situation of here, I guess 1 2 3 4. Yeah, we are currently kind of rewinded that and we've removed it. Okay, we are here again, right? So that's the thing. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, and also how can we understand? We can just understand by checking the log. 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, that's 5. Also, let's see if we have already merged it to the master. Git log master. Let's see. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. That means, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, that's the situation we are now looking into. Now let's see what happens. Like in the previous lab, yeah, we have done that. No issues. Check the However, what she was really looking for was only the story index.txt. So you know right now that in the here and tortoise branch, the story index file is totally empty. But in the master branch, we have 4 lines by now. We have seen that. So isn't it better so that the commit which actually consists of that index.txt, she could actually add that commit to here. Won't that be better, right? Okay, let's just go. She only needs certain commits that were made to update the story index. Okay, so we can simply do a cherry pick. Okay, let's see how she does that. So firstly, identify the hash of the last commit that updated the story index file. Okay, you can see updated the story index file. So it has the hash of this one, right? So 173 1f1. Okay, in the master branch, and you can see it is in the master branch. Now on the working branch, cherry pick the commit with the last identified and git cherry pick. Okay, if you end up in merge conflict, merge in the okay comment. Okay, now we can easily cherry pick, but first of all, we have to be within that branch. We are firstly in that branch for sure. We're currently in the branch, and then we have to say git cherry pick, then that hash. like maybe this was the reason why that story index.txt file was created and had 4 content. So we can easily add that here. So how can we do that? So commit hash you identified, so updated the story index, so it should be this one. Okay, so now git cherry pick, then the hash. Okay, you can see merge conflict in story index. So there is some merge conflict because the same file. So that's not an issue, but still we are going to we will go into that file and check out what's the problem. And it's the if you end up in merge conflict, merge the file manually and make sure to leave the latest content in the story. Okay, paste. Okay, so you can see the within the CAT there is actually auto merging this one. So there is no actually merge conflict in this one, obviously, because as we have previously learned about, I have already told you, like if those files were like had content full of like 4 lines full of content in both files, we had to manually solve the issue. But as you know, like we had no content in that branch, in that index.txt file. So as the name was same, like A and A, it has some conflict, but it found out that there is nothing out there in those lines and so on. So just manually merge that. And you can also learn it from here, like auto merging. Okay, so here there is no problem. So run the command, done, check. So also now what you can do, like to understand what's happening, to understand the I would say is the tree, we can just see press like one line. Okay, okay, now here you can see this commit, the copy of this commit has been created. So if we just check this out, this image, now these obviously that doesn't actually go away from here, but there is a copy of it here. But as it is a new commit, so it actually gets a new hash also. So now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 right in this branch, and you can see in this branch we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 commits. And also we can also check out like how many commits we do have in the master. Now git log master, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's check 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, done. So now easily we have understood the concept. So that is the concept, and that was it for our talking about cherry pick, right? So now we will learn about some awesome more concept.